So please, can you introduce yourself to us?
Hi, I'm Larissa.
And what are we doing right now?
Walking tour.
We're doing a walking tour.
Yeah, so these are our English-speaking hosts. They also speak Spanish and Portuguese, any other languages. So French as well. Okay. So this, guys, like if you're looking for a walking tour of Fortaleza, these are the people to look up to, and I'm going to leave you a link to their Instagram and their Facebook page in the description section so that they're easy to contact. But yeah, right now this is the only walking tour of Fortaleza. Me and my family. This is my family right here. Next time.
You can also say that it's the best.
Yeah, it's the best. Yeah, but it's not the best because it's the only one too. Like it's just full of like valuable information. I think that we have really enjoyed ourselves. How long does the tour last, Guy?
3 hours.
Okay, so it's a 3-hour tour, but it feels like half an hour. They're going to take you to some of the traditional places, which you're either going to see or you already saw, depending on how I edit things. Traditional places. They'll also show you some of the traditional foods that you may not know about. So yeah, like when you land your plane, especially if you're only going to be here for a weekend, look up the free walking tour of Fortaleza and look for these faces, all right?
And the umbrella.
And the yellow umbrella, okay?
Come walk with us.
Yes. So I'll holla at y'all later. Deuces.
What happened is that the one that was responsible for coming here never showed up for more than 100 years. Yes, in 1603, the first Portuguese arrived and they made a fort in this part of the city. This is the west part.
Very cool. So now we're still on our little tour, just walking downtown, looking at some of the vendors. Very cool area.
So the barbecue is very famous because of the book of the Little Prince.
Now we are going to walk here in the street west. The theater that's in the back of the...
Very traditional place here.
Very traditional place. It's even a spot of carnival. So that there's the block of Raimundo because he has a T-shirt and all.
Tell us one more time, why do we need to come to Raimundo do Queijo on the weekends? One more time for the camera.
They have a samba on the weekends and everybody comes here to have a drink, beer and cheese.
Very cool. Thank all the decoration and the music is because of the June festival that's happening now.
This is the program.
Oh,
This
we
is
got it.
Frevo, actually.
Yes, I really like that.
All colorful umbrellas are from Frevo. It's a special kind of... We also have the vacation for the Boiculada, that is the socks.
Which in Ceará, it was signed 4 years before the rest of Brazil. There was the city that was called Acarape and changed the name for Redemption, Redenção, because it was actually the first city where the slaves were free. And in there,
But do they still have Acarape and Redenção really close, don't they?
Came another city after that.
Yes.
So Redemption was the first one. So they have a museum where it was a house where the slaves would be.
Beautiful, wow. We're going into Lions Square now. So gorgeous.
Guys,
Yes.
There has been some times in the last episode we have a question now. See these black lines on the floor? What do they represent?
Railroad tracks.
What?
Railroad tracks. Railroad.
Railroad. Almost.
Uh-oh.
So close.
Uh-oh. Trolley.
Tramway.
Former
Yeah.
trolley cars.
So that's why they started to build their own church. And during after the slavery was finished in 1914, there was a mayor of Fortaleza that reorganized all this area here and used the church after the slavery. And during the construction of our cathedral for 40 years, so a lot of people here have a bigger connection to this church than the other, because they even got the chance to. It works as a restaurant now, and it has a lot of features and all the original food and the Ceará Palace, and it was a house of a very rich family. The Prota Gentil family. They also had a bank around here, close to the post office. The one in the corner, very full of old ornaments, so it was from this family. And a couple of years ago, we suffered a fire on the inside. It was all destroyed, so the walls were outside. Just the facade and the inside was not finished, and now it works as a public house. Also used as a well.
This is just the clock at Fortaleza Square.
The mayor that gives the name to the square.
Sugarcane juice being made. Bet you guys from Bama didn't know that sugar canes could do this.
Have you tasted that?
Yes, it's really good. This is Paseo Público, or Martyrs Square.
And 50 years later, 1875, they set to make this garden. So the garden was projecting three levels. Upper level, where we are now, middle level and the lowest level, closer to the ocean. And this was because each level was for a different economic class. So we were in the level of the rich.